Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change font style or font size in your Vivo Y04. If you're using Vivo Y04 and now you want to change your font style or size, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your phone settings app. So just open settings. From here, just scroll down and look for display and brightness. Select, and then you will get the font style and font size. You just have to select font and display size first, and we are going to change your font size. So you can easily increase or decrease your font size from here. Now go back and let's see. There you can see my font size has been too much increased. So now I'm going to change my font style. So just tap on font style, and here you'll get list of different fonts. There are some downloaded fonts which I have downloaded, and there are two system fonts. If you want to download more, you just have to download more and you will get different fonts. There are paid and free. You have to download which you want, and after that just select which you want to choose. And I'm going to select this one, so just tap on it and it will give a preview that how will your font look like. This will look like just like this. Just tap on apply, and after that it will apply on your phone. So that's how you can easily change your font style or font size in your phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.